Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a radiator in a Chrysler 300. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Gather all your tools, including a drain pan, new coolant, and a wrench set. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal before beginning any work to prevent electrical hazards. This crucial first step ensures a safe working environment for the entire replacement process. Now, let's prepare for removal. Position a suitable drain pan beneath the radiator's drain cock. Carefully open the drain cock and allow all the old coolant to completely empty into the pan. This usually takes about 15 minutes. Once drained, disconnect both the upper and lower radiator hoses. Finally, unclip any electrical connections and remove the fan shroud to gain full access to the radiator. These steps clear the way for easy removal. With the coolant drained and hoses disconnected, it's time to remove the old radiator. Locate and unbolt all mounting points that secure the radiator in place. There are typically 4 to 6 bolts. Gently lift the old radiator straight up and out of the engine bay, being careful not to damage any surrounding components. Take a moment to inspect the area for any debris, corrosion, or signs of damage before proceeding to the next step. This ensures a clean installation. Finally, let's install your new radiator. Carefully lower the new unit into the engine bay, aligning it with the mounting points. Secure it firmly with all the bolts you removed earlier. Reconnect the upper and lower radiator hoses, ensuring they are clamped tightly. Attach all electrical connections and reinstall the fan shroud. Refill the system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant, typically around 2 gallons, then bleed any air and thoroughly check for leaks. You're almost done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.